Welcome to Idiom Showdown, Alex versus Jamie. Two sharp minds, one idiom-packed challenge. Can they guess idioms? Time is cash? Money clock?
Time is money. Time is valuable. Don't waste it. That guy's skating on thin ice. Risky move.
Chilly but correct. As right as rain, meaning perfectly fine. A stitch in time saves 9. Fix things early.
Barking up the wrong tree. Classic mix-up. Seize the day. Live the moment.
The Rolls Royce of watches, that's luxury.
A watched pot never boils. Time crawls when you wait.
Time flies when you're having fun. Time waits for no one.
Lightning in a bottle. Something rare and tough to achieve. Hit the nail on the head, spot on. Better late than never. Keep a stiff upper lip. Stay calm under pressure. He kicked the bucket, yikes.
Keep your chin up, stay positive. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Keep your eyes peeled, stay alert. Kick up a fuss, they're making a scene. Keep it under your hat. Keep that secret safe.
Knee-high to a grasshopper. Tiny tot. Knock on wood, don't jinx it. Keeping the wolf from the door, just surviving.
The glue that holds commitments together. The bond of trust, love.
They clinked their glasses, a newfound appreciation.
United in their understanding, one punctual step at a time. Set to achieve great things, ready to succeed.
So, who won? I think we both did. Us better and wiser.